put a little bit of extra weight on there. But if you're just sitting on your butt, you can move your foot from side to side and up and down. Try and just get all the spots through there. Move up a little bit. If you find a sticky spot, just hold that for a little bit. You can move your foot up and down. Get some flexion and extension in there. Yeah, moving your foot in all its range of motion in circles. That'll really help to get a deep roll through here without applying a lot of pressure. Okay? All right, and that's how you roll your calves.